Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create such type of engine exhaust in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. So first of all we need to have a 3D sketch. For this click on sketch tab and then drop down this arrow below the sketch and then select 3D sketch. Now draw a corner rectangle in the XY direction. Press escape button, click on this line and select along x-axis. Now define it 180 millimeters and define this line 30 millimeters. Now draw a center point or center line in along y-axis. Click on this line and select along y-axis. Now press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these lines and make them perpendicular. Define it 40 millimeters. Now draw another center line and start it from this point along YZ axis. Click on this line and select along Z axis. Select both of these lines and make them perpendicular. Now define this 80 millimeters. Draw one more center line along XY axis and then connect this point. Click on this line and select along x-axis, then make both of these lines perpendicular. Now select both of these lines and make them perpendicular. So this is okay now. Select all these 4 lines, scroll down and check to this box for construction. Press OK button. One more center line, draw from this midpoint to this midpoint. Now draw a circle on this midpoint along XY axis. Also draw the same circle on this point. We need 2 more circles. Press escape button and then select all these 4 circles one by one and make them equal. Now define it 30 millimeters. Define this distance 60 millimeters. And 60 millimeter. Why now we have to draw center point rectangle. So select center point rectangle and draw it from this midpoint along XZ axis or ZX axis. Now define it 35 millimeters and 70 millimeter. Now select sketch fillet. Fillet radius is 10 millimeter and select all these four corners. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now save and exit from sketch. Go to features tab and select boundary boss base command. Select this circle and highlight this option closed loop. Press OK button. Now select this center point rectangle and press OK button. Rearrange these points and normal to profile, normal to profile. Tangent length is 1 millimeter. Press OK button. Now unhide the 3D sketch. For that, drop down this boundary option and then click on this 3D sketch, then select show. Now again click on boundary boss base command, select this circle, press OK button, then this center point arc, press OK button. Rearrange these points. Normal to profile and normal to profile. Press OK button. Again boundary boss base command, select this circle, then this center point arc, rearrange these points. Normal to profile and normal to profile. Press OK button. Now it is showing an error, so scroll down and uncheck this box merge tangent faces. Press OK button. Again select boundary boss base command, click on this circle. Now this center point rectangle and press OK button. Normal to profile, normal to profile. Rearrange these points. Press OK button. Now click on this sketch and hide it. This time we need to have one more plane. For that, click on reference geometry and then select plane. Click on this face as first reference and the distance is 90 millimeters. Press OK button. Click on this face and then select sketch. Again select this face and press convert entities button. Now save and exit from sketch. Now sketch on this plane 1, make normal to. We need to create a circle just in the mid of this face. So for that, select center line and start it from this midpoint to this midpoint. Now select circle and draw it. Define it 35 millimeters. Press OK button. Now save and exit from Sketch. Click on this plane and hide it. In the Features tab, select Lofted Boss Base command. Select this circle, then this rectangle. Press OK button. Now we need one more 3D sketch. So turn on 3D sketch. Draw a center line from this point to this point. Select this point and then click on this face. Make on plane. Again select this point, then this circle. Make concentric. Similar to this side. Make on plane, then the circle and the point, make concentric. Now draw another center line and start it from this midpoint vertically along y-axis. Click on this line and select y-axis. Now select both of these lines and make them perpendicular. Define it from this face to this point. It is 70 millimeters. Draw one more center line and start it from here. Define it from this line to this face. It is 35 millimeters. Define its length 70 millimeters. Now draw 3-point arc and start it from this point to this point. Select this face and then this point. Now select make on plane. Now select this arc and this point, make concentric. Select this point and this arc, make coincident. Now sketch is fully defined. Save and exit from Sketch. Click on this face and sketch. Draw a circle, start it from this point to this arc. Now again save and exit from Sketch. In the Features tab, select Swept Boss Base command. Select this circle as profile and click on this arc as path. Press OK button. Now in the Features tab, select Shell command. First of all select this face, then select all these faces, 4 faces one by one. Shell thickness is 1 millimeter. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now click on this face and sketch on it. Make normal to. Draw a center line. Like this. Click on this line and select make horizontal. Now draw center point straight slot. Start it from this midpoint and draw it. Now click on this arc, then this circle, and make them concentric. Define it from this arc to this circle. The distance is 5 millimeters. Draw center point, the 3-point arc. Select this circle and this arc and make them concentric. Similarly, for this arc, make concentric. Now draw a circle. Start it from here to this point. Similarly, another circle. Select this circle and this circle, make concentric. Same process for this, make concentric. Now our sketch is almost fully defined. We need some more arcs. Draw it from here. Select both of this point and then this circle, make coincident. Another arc on this side. We need the arcs on all these sides, so draw them. Now press and hold Control key and select both of these points, make them vertical. Same for this side, make vertical. Now select all these points one by one. And make them horizontal. Same for these points on upper side. Make horizontal. Now select both of these points and make them vertical. Repeat this process for all arcs. Vertical and vertical. Now select all the arcs one by one. And make them equal. Define them 30 millimeter radius and then select trim entities command. Now trim this line, this line. Now press and hold Ctrl key and select the inner circles one by one. So it is difficult to select this one again. Try to select this circle, then this circle and this circle. Press convert entities button. Now manually draw the circle here. Zoom in, select this circle and this arc and make them tangent. Now this sketch is ready. Go into Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base command. Extrude it up to 3 millimeters and press OK button. Now select Fillet command. Click on this circular edge, this circular edge and this circular edge. Fillet radius is 10 millimeter and check to this option, full preview. So it is okay, but we need to reduce the fillet radius. So type here 5 millimeter fillet radius. Press OK button. Now sketch on this face, make normal to, draw a center point rectangle and start it from this point. Draw a 3-point arc. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these arcs and make them equal. Select all these lines. Scroll down and select for construction geometry. Press OK button. Select this line and select construction geometry. Now draw a line. Like this, again line. Select both of these lines points and make them vertical. Also make these points vertical. Select these two lines and make them equal. Select both of these points and make them vertical. Select both of these lines and make them equal. This time select both of these lines and make them equal. Now select this point and this outer circle and make it concentric. Rearrange it like this. So now select fillet command and select this corner. Press OK button. Fillet radius 20 millimeters. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now select trim entities command and trim this corner. Press escape button. Now draw circle, one here and one here. Make them equal. Select this circle and then this arc and make it concentric. Define it 15 millimeters. Press escape button. Select this circle and then in the sketch tab select convert entities. Now in the features tab select extruded boss base command. Extrusion is 3 millimeter, so press OK button. Again select fillet command and select this edge. Fillet radius 5 millimeters. Press OK button. So our engine exhaust has been completed. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more. You can also join me on my Facebook page. A link to my Facebook page is written in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and take care.